These 4 simple tips will take your animations, including your fight scenes, to another level. Number 1. Make your own idea real. You are in full control. You're the filmmaker. Whatever you got, use it. And ask yourself, what would you want to see as a viewer? Well, I thought, how about a video with Spider-Gwen fighting against Gwenpool? Yes, it's perfect. It's never been done before. It's simple but unique. It's something I want to see as a viewer myself, and it completely applies to my standards. So now that you have your own idea, what are you gonna do with the execution? If you want your animations to stand out, you should have unique types of action. Again, ask yourself, what would you want to see as a viewer? And if you're making a fight scene, you think it'd be all kinds of punches, moves, backflips, and whatever you think would look cool. So what's holding you back? Think outside the box and push your limits. Use masking, more techniques, more ideas. It may or may not look good at first, but surely after a while, you will get good at it. And number 2, fast pacing. When I made this video, the criticism that I got was that the pacing was a bit slow. The pauses between frames and shots were too much, when the video could have gone in a more smooth and realistic way. The reason I did put pauses was because I thought the viewer might not process what happened, but I've come to stop worrying about that too much, and I will try to make things faster like my other videos, but not too fast either. Number 3, good environment. Set design, colors, and lighting matters. Try making this. Set design, colors, and lighting matters. Try making settings that fit your story and tone. If you want to go for something simple, which is what I usually do, bright colors and high saturations are things that will look intriguing to the eye, like a blue sky, a yellow man in a red t-shirt. Oops. And things like that. For set building, I recommend getting a good amount of bricks in the same color and whatever you have to make some nice, clean, and colorful buildings in the right size for your work. Just don't let the camera look at the back, okay? Or if you already have buildings, good, just use those, I guess. And finally, number 4, style. I think you've already noticed that I usually make this realistic and yet cartoony look in my videos. Basically, I wanted to make things that were similar to Spider-Verse, comic books, and pretty much any inspiration of mine, and that made me try new things, such as blending stop motion and 2D, adding effects, or working on my character movements. I basically pushed my limits, and with enough thought and effort, you can do it too. What I wanted to point out in this video was that you should stop having limits. Animation has no limits. Make your characters jump, fly, kick, backflip, or I don't know, drink a cup of coffee? Make them do anything you want them to do. Okay, now don't take it that way, please. I think you get the point.